So about this event, IRCE, we are happy to be a part of this event, and this is a very big event which has been organized by ICF. And as a HARTING, we are happy to be a part of the connectivity solution for the modern railway technology. And we are associated with railway for the last 15 years. We started our journey from DEMU, EMU, MEMU, today with Vande Bharat, Amrit Bharat, as well as we are working towards a high-speed rail as well. As a HARTING, we are there for the high quality of connectivity solution and technology providing for the modern railway. Thank you.
Uh, Look, I think it shows our commitment to the industry. It shows our commitment to the industry, and we are involved with all the coach builders and also with the design houses of the railways, uh, and we ensure that we give the latest solution, which is globally proven and accepted by most of the customers. We've been involved with, we have partnered with people who are designing from the right from the scratch. Like our connector solutions are now being used, not only the Vande Bharat that we talk about, but also the high-speed rail that we're coming out with. And we're working with one of our partners out there to see that how we give them the best global solutions that are proven and safe uh, to be used. Yeah. Yeah. Jacob Chandy. My name is Jacob Chandy. I'm the managing director for HARTING India.